Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the Negril Fruits and Vegetable Market. Now, Negril is a growing area in Jamaica. Negril is actually growing so fast that they have talk of it becoming a parish in Jamaica. Not a city, a parish. Negril is a major tourist town in Jamaica. It's probably the most popular tourist town in Jamaica. A third of all the tourism revenue comes from Negril. And it's so popular that they're building an airport, an international airport for Negril. And it's so important that they're building a divisional headquarters for the police force in Westmoreland that will cover Negril. So a lot is happening in Negril. Hotels are going up left, right, and center in Negril. It's really a very popular place in Jamaica, and it has a lot of developments. So the government is always looking for ways to improve what's happening in Negril. And for some time now, they've been trying to build a fruits and vegetable market. So what happens is Negril has grown over the years so that Negril now sits in two parishes. So Negril is controlled by, or sections in Negril are controlled by the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation, and some are controlled, another side is controlled by the Hanover Municipal Corporation. So if Negril was to become a parish, or I guess a city, it would have its own, it would have one body to look out just for all of Negril. So we are going to give you an update on the latest that's happening with the construction of the Negril Fruits and Vegetable Market. Now, there is a structure there now where people operate from, but they wanted to build a massive structure, a more permanent structure. So we're going to give you an update on the building of the new structure. The Negril Fruits and Vegetable Market has been a long-awaited project aimed at improving the infrastructure for local farmers, vendors, and shoppers. Designed to provide a modernized space for fresh produce sales, the market was initially proposed in 2017 with a budget of 75 million. However, delays and setbacks have left vendors relying on a temporary facility, even as millions have already been spent on initial preparations. The market is set to be built using plans developed by architects from the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development. According to Westmoreland officials, these plans aim to create a well-structured, sanitary, and organized space that will better serve both vendors and customers. Minister Mackenzie first announced a project in 2017, committing 75 million for its construction. However, despite reassurances over the years, progress has been slow. By 2023, Mackenzie reported that over 9 million had already been spent to establish a temporary facility for vendors while they awaited the completion of the permanent market. As of 2025, the project is reportedly back on track after facing years of uncertainty. One of the key challenges has been ensuring that the construction aligns with the vision outlined by the ministry, while also addressing concerns from local vendors who have been operating under less than ideal conditions in the temporary setup. The delays have impacted not only merchants but also local customers and tourists, who frequent Negril for its fresh produce. Without a proper market facility, the selling environment has been inconsistent, affecting the quality of service and economic opportunities for vendors. With the renewed focus on moving the project forward, hopes are high that Negril will soon have a fully functioning, purpose-built market. If completed as planned, the facility is expected to provide a much-needed boost to local agriculture and commerce, offering farmers a dedicated space to sell their produce while giving residents and visitors an improved shopping experience. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. leave your comments in the section below. Oh, and another major development happening for Negril is that Highway 2000 is coming to Negril. That means you can drive from Kingston to Negril when the road is finished on Highway 2000, which is a road similar to what we're driving on now, but it's going to be a toll road. But it will be a 4-lane dual carriageway with a concrete barricade in the middle, similar to what we're driving on now. Where we are is the Southern Coastal Highway, but this road is not a toll road, but the design is the same.